Hi parents, this is what exactly conquering fear looks like. A step-by-step journey of how she overcame fear in just 9 hours. And on the 10th hour, the magic happens. She achieved what most people would accomplish in 3 hours. Watch the video, have fun, enjoy the swim.
Turn yourself, look in front and walk. Go. Okay, leave my hand. Okay, my hands is just here, down here. Leave my hands, leave my hand. Why you spit on my knee? No. How are we gonna learn? You can do. You can do. You leave my hands. Leave my hands. I want you to bend your knees. I want you to bend your knees, both knees. Come, your tummy, and stand down.
Okay.
See? You practice that for me, can or not?
Yeah.
10 times. Head down, head down, head down, head down, head down, head down. Kick your leg, kick your leg. I'm holding you. Down, head down. After this, you do back. Okay. You want to do here? But you got to do it properly. What is one line to there, head down. Ready? I won't leave you, I promise. Okay? All the way there. Ready? 1, 2. Head down. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick. Put your head down and kick. Okay. Now carry your head up and kick. Carry your head up and kick. This is easier to kick.
Putting my head down and
Yes, yes. So you put your head down and kick. Okay? I now move. You go to the wall, you kick the wall with your ear.
You do like this and then I.
What's the difference? You do like that, you already hold me already. What?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, come here.
Your head must look down. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go back.
3, 2, 1, go.
Very good. That's what we do. Who is the teacher? You gotta listen to me, I gotta listen to you.
I got.
Okay, so put your hands at the side. Put your hands at the side, beside your thigh. Okay, move up and down. Just move up and down. Okay, kick your leg. Okay. You don't hold my hand. Yes, you don't hold my hands. Yes, like that. See, anything happen? Nothing happen. Your face in the water. Is your face in the water?
No.
Are you drowning?
No.
Okay, nothing happened. I won't leave you until the end. Until the end. Okay, you kick. Wait, you kick first. Now we're going to stand, okay? You leave my hand. You leave my hand. Okay, bend your knees to the chair.
Hope you all learned that giving your child the time to adapt and get comfortable with water is one of the most important factors in learning swimming.
Okay, stop. Now you do from there. You try again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Your tummy have to push up a little bit.
Huh?
Tummy have to push up a little bit.
Okay.
You try one more time. So,
1, go.
kick, 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 kick. Okay, 1, 2, turn. Okay, Kick your leg. Kick your leg. 1, 2, 10. Kick your leg. 1, 2, 10. Kick your leg. 1, 2, 10. Head down, head down, head down. Sit down.
3,
Hmm.
2, 1, go. Eight.
Kick your legs, kick your legs. Yeah, 10. Good job. Finally lah, bro. You did it. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Good girl.
If you face any of this kind of challenge, please share with me. I would be more than happy to help you step by step on how to overcome fear and build confidence. Thank you for watching my video and have a good day.